Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can uninstall or delete your Epic Games from your device. So for that, you need to go ahead and click on the Start button from the bottom left corner of your screen and search for Add or Remove Programs and launch it. From this page, you can scroll down and search for Epic Games or use the search bar in the top and search for Epic Games. Now select Epic Games Launcher and click on Uninstall. Select Uninstall again to confirm. Then give administrator privileges. Wait for a few minutes for it to uninstall from your device. Likewise, also remove the Epic Online Services and you'll be done. Another thing you can do is go ahead and open your File Explorer. Then after, go to Local Disk. From here, select Program Files and find the Epic Games folder. Right-click on it, select Delete. Also give administrator privileges and delete the entire folder of Epic Games. If there are any other folder or file of Epic Games, make sure that you delete them. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.